So guys, in today's video, you're going to learn about what is the best security plugin for WordPress website. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to build an online brand. So please consider subscribing. And also, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So guys, let's begin. So I was just compiling a list of security plugins. So for me, one of the best security plugins is Wordfence. Okay, so the reason for that is I've compared the security, if it's free or if it's not free, and for me Wordfence is one of the best security plugin and it's free. Other So for other ones you need to pay and then get the best settings. But if you're using Wordfence security and you don't want to pay, and in the beginning this is the best security plugin, and it's a firewall and malware scan which helps your website from hackers. So it's very easy to install. All you have to do is go on plugins, add new, type Wordfence, and just install. As you could see, more than 3 million active installations. So click on activate. Once this is activated, then all you have to do is click on Wordfence, and it's very easy to set up, guys. So once you're in your dashboard, this is your dashboard where you could see your firewall, your scan. So now what you have to do is just click on firewall, and everything looks good. You don't have to do nothing about this. Just go on scan, start a new scan. That's it, and then everything looks good. And then what you could do is, so currently right now it's checking for everything, and if the plugin thinks there's something wrong with your website or you want to make some changes, it will show you the changes. But then it's very easy. It just scans and tells you what actionable steps you could take. As you could see right here, it's scanning the plugin, it's scanning the URL, and it's scanning everything. So it's going to take around 5 to 10 minutes depending on your website size. But once everything is done, it's going to give you some options. So as you could see, the Astra theme, I need to upgrade it. So I can just come here in appearance and themes, and then I just need to update this. So make sure all your themes and plugins are updated, and whatever plugins you don't use, just delete them. And everything is done. That's it. You don't have to make more settings. Don't make your life complicated, because make it, everything is simple. If you're doing, if you think something is difficult, that means you're doing it wrong. Everything in life is simple. And that's it for me. Wordfence security is the one of the best security plugins for WordPress. And if you think that you need more to it, and there are a lot of people who are trying to hack your site, then I would say just buy the premium one and they would help you in everything. But for me, I use the free version and it's all well and good. And that's it for today's video, and also the bonus I told you guys. So I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. Okay, it's a step-by-step instruction. I tell you the best themes, the best plugins, the best of everything. Okay, so the link is down below. Go and get it. It's a free course, as you could see, and that's my picture. So that's it, guys. I hope you really like the video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.